Okay, I have kind of a weird one here. This is a type of Cecropia. I'm not sure what kind yet. I'll try and look it up best I can when I get home. But our friend Rob Cruz, who's a big part of the food forest here, discovered this somehow and has given it a shot. And at first I kind of thought he must be nuts, but no, it's an unusual one. So I knocked down a rack of them that were starting to get ripe. Look at that, like a big grape cluster kind of. All right, but they're not totally grape-like in any way, really. And I thought they were going to be more like a fig, kind of like the long Cecropia fingers, you know, the gummy bear fruit. But nope, these are like a big berry, kind of like not really the Jabota Caba, like a tougher skin, kind of like the blue grape. And see, there's one big solitary seed in there. So look at that thing, it's huge. And then that white pulp on the inside is your fruit, and then the tough skin there on the outside is discardable. So really it's just that white fruit on the inside. And it's sweet, but you know, it has a very distinct wintergreen backer to it. Like, totally like wintergreen, like little Maine berries you'd get. So yeah, weird Cecropia, right? Big seed. I thought it'd be a whole bunch of little tiny seeds in a big grape cluster. And you know, maybe I'm wrong, maybe it's not Cecropia, but those sure look like Cecropia leaves and the same growth behavior, because the gummy bear fruit kind is very invasive here. At least one of the types is. Birds disperse it everywhere. Yeah, that's a weird one, right? Big grape cluster. Trippy. Aloha.